Welcome back again to my channel. Today let's go straight into the DIY. We are going to be making hair oil using rosemary leaves, coffee, and cloves. When it comes to the coffee, you could use any coffee of your choice, and when it comes to cloves, you could use whole cloves or you could use powdered cloves. So now we're going to start by bringing our mason jar or the container of your choice. We're going to measure out 1 tablespoon of every single thing. So that means 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves, 1 tablespoon of cloves, and 1 tablespoon of coffee. It's really crazy because once you start researching these things, you realize that the little things in your house actually contribute to hair growth. For example, coffee. Coffee stimulates hair growth because the caffeine increases blood circulation to the scalp. It also reduces shedding and adds shine and depth to your hair. So anytime I notice that my hair is shedding, I go ahead and do a coffee spray or a coffee rinse. Now, when it comes to cloves, we already know the benefits of cloves. Clove adds shine and thickness to your hair and also increases blood circulation. And let's not forget, it prevents the premature graying of your hair. When it comes to grapeseed oil, I'm beginning to use this a lot on this channel because it's great for my hair porosity. It is lightweight, it is rich in vitamin E, it reduces breakage, it supports healthy scalp. So why not, right? Which is why it is important for you to find out which hair porosity you have. We don't even need to spend much time on rosemary because we already know rosemary reduces dandruff, it stimulates hair growth, it enhances shine, and it prevents hair thinning. The last oil I am adding is the Jamaican Castor oil. This is straight from Jamaica, so you already know the benefits of this oil. Now, after adding all these things, I am also going to add my preservative because I am going to let it infuse for over a week. I let it infuse for about 9 days and I don't need it to go bad while it is infusing. Now, this part is optional. You can choose to add your essential oils after the oil has infused, or you could go ahead and add it now. For the sake of today's video, I just went ahead and added my peppermint oil to this mix. Then I will cover and store it in a dry, cool place for about 9 days, letting it fully infuse so I could get all the nutrients. This is what it looked like after 9 days of infusing. I am now going to go ahead and strain it. You could strain it using your cheesecloth or your wig cap. At this point, the coffee and the cloves were stuck on the bottom of the mixing jar, but that's also okay. I really liked what I'm using to strain it because it also made it so much easier, right, to strain. So I'm just going to show you what the bottom of the jar looked like. Now let's talk about the benefits of combining these three together. When you combine them together, you will definitely see increased growth in your hair because it will make your hair stronger. It will reduce hair loss and hair thinning because of the caffeine in the coffee. It helps block the DHT, which is a hormone that causes the hair follicles to shrink and fall out. Together, they are going to create a potent anti-hair loss blend. It is also going to nourish and strengthen your hair strands. This is also because of the grapeseed oil that acts as a carrier and a nutrient base. It is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help to repair damaged hair strands, right? So over time, your hair will become more stronger and less prone to breakage. It will also improve your hair scalp. Now, after combining everything and straining it, and you probably adding the other essential oil of your choice, all you have to do is to transfer it into your oil container. In order to get the full benefits of this oil, don't forget to massage the oil into your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. And again, you don't have to wash it out. You need to be consistently using this oil for 4 to 6 weeks to see any changes like less hair shedding, shinier hair, fuller hair, and a healthy scalp. This brings us to the end of today's video. With this, I was able to get about 2.5 bottles of hair oil, and I can say this can last me for a while, and I can also store it in the fridge without worrying about it going bad because it contains the preservatives. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Bye.